The lean-in dumbbell lateral raise primarily targets the lateral deltoids on the side of the shoulders. By leaning against a sturdy object such as a squat rack post, it changes the resistance curve to place more emphasis on the side delts when it's in the stretched position. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand beside a sturdy support such as a squat rack or wall with the dumbbell in your outer hand. Place your feet approximately 12 to 15 inches away from the support and lean your body toward it to create a slight inward angle. With your inner arm supporting your body against the wall, let the dumbbell hang at arm's length by your side, palm facing inward. Keep your core engaged and maintain a slight bend in your elbow. Exhale as you raise the dumbbell upward and outward to shoulder height, leading with your elbow. Ensure your arm stays in line with your body while avoiding any swinging motion. Pause briefly at the top of the movement, feeling the contraction in your shoulder. Inhale as you slowly lower the dumbbell back to the starting position, maintaining control to keep tension on the muscle. Repeat all the reps on one arm, then switch arms and repeat. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.